In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon in Clickfunnels. A favicon is that small icon you see in a browser tab next to your page title. It helps your brand stand out, makes your funnel look polished, and makes it easier for visitors to find your tab when they have many open. Before we start, make sure you already have a favicon image hosted somewhere you can access with a direct link. This could be an image in your digital assets library, or a reliable external host. A square image works best, typically 32 by 32 pixels or 16 by 16, and common formats like .io or .png are fine. First, head to your dashboard and go to Funnels. This is where all your funnels are listed. Choose the funnel you want to brand and click the settings icon for that specific funnel. You're looking for the general settings area that controls how the funnel behaves and looks. Once you're on the settings page, scroll until you find the Favicon field. It's a simple box where you'll paste the URL of your Favicon image. Be sure the link goes directly to the image file itself, not a gallery page. A quick way to check is to paste the link in a new tab to confirm it displays only the image. If your file is stored in your digital assets library, copy the direct URL from there. If you're using another host, make sure the link is secure and publicly accessible. Paste the URL into the Favicon field. Double-check that the link is correct and that it points to the exact image you want. When you're confident everything looks good, scroll down and click Save and Update Settings. Give it a moment to process, and you should see a confirmation that your changes were saved. Now, here's the part many people overlook. Browsers and caches can take time to reflect Favicon changes. It's normal for updates to take up to about 24 hours to appear everywhere. If you want to check sooner, try opening your funnel in a private or incognito window, or view it in a different browser. You can also clear your browser cache, but keep in mind that some caching happens on the server and at the browser level, so patience is key. And that's it. Go to Funnels, open the Funnels settings, find the Favicon field, paste your image URL, and save. Give it time to update, and your funnel will display your new branded icon across browser tabs.